So if this was there and I just had a pipe and I want to do a 3-point saddle, I'll just come right here, make my mark in the middle. We already know what's the, I make my mark in the middle, I'm sorry. And then what you're gonna do is hit the widths. Mark where the width is on each side. Now we know we're gonna go back from here back. How long? But how long? The reason why we're gonna know, so we're gonna measure this. I'll show you. Get this out the way. So it needs to be 6. So you at 4.5. You can do 5.5, or you can do 6.
Do 6, so we said 12.
Right. So go back. If you're gonna do 6 from here, you go back what?
12 inches.
Yep. Double it up on your mark. Make sure you're on point. Don't be guessing on the marks, bro. You're gonna mess your whole pipe up. Do the other side. And then we can go ahead and bend it. You didn't even have to leave it on there. You could have took it off and did it on the floor because you got your marks. You should look like you needed more bend on that. Take that off.
So going 12 not gonna mess me up?
No. Yeah, you need more bend on that. You didn't stop it like you. You got to make sure when you did that bend, you got to make sure you do the other bend at the same one. You can't rush it, or you're gonna be on that same pipe all day. Make sure you bend it right here and don't bend that out. Just get a little bit more bend on it.
It's got a dog in it.
You didn't put the no dog on it?
I did. It just...
Let me see. Yeah, that's way too much though.
Maybe I could have did 5 inches, 5.5.
Yeah, let me see what the measurement is once he gets his tape measure. Let's see that tape measure. Put it back on there. You're at.
Yeah, we should have did 5.
I don't know if I got a
Yeah, that's at 7. You could have did 5.5. Oh!
Just a little up.
Wait. Man, now what do you think you gotta do with this? You think you gotta bend that more or take some out?
Take some out.
Just look. Just a little out. Right there on your bend. No, this. That's what's need to come out, this bend. You just take it. Right, I would put it, you always put about, because you just taking some out. You just want to take that bend out. Just a little bit. Not a lot, bro. All right. I think you're good, man. I think you're good, bro. See what I'm saying? Wait a minute. There you go. My brother. Looks good. Yes, sir. That looks good. Now we're going to work on the 4 point.